So I have this question in front of me on Quora posed by someone which says, how should I make a successful career in a field that I'm not interested? So my question is, why should you try and make a successful career in a field that you're not interested? Trying to make a successful career in a field that you're not interested in is like swimming upstream. And especially when you're not interested, because please understand that to make a successful career, you need three things. Now, first, you need to define what is the success that you're looking for in the career. What is the value from the career that you're looking for? Are you looking for fame? Are you looking for money? Are you looking for security? So that you need to define, and that is one thing that you look at. Second thing, you must be passionate about the career that you take, because only the passion will bring out the best in you. It will motivate you. To be successful, what is important is to remain motivated, right? And keep doing your best. Now, how can you do your best in a career that you're not interested? And the third thing is that you need to have capability. You must be able to do better than others in a career that you choose if you want to be successful. Because remember, the world is not you alone. You will have competition in any career you choose. So you will need to work hard. That will come from your interest. And you will need to have some skills and capabilities that are better than your competitors. And then only you will be able to make a success. So it absolutely is kind of impossible to make a successful career in a field that you are not interested. So that's what my take on this is. If you're interested, take a look at my course on how to make a right career choice on Udemy for more details of what I have told you here, and reach out to me. So look for Arun Singhal on Udemy and look at 29 courses that we have and pick the one course that will be relevant for you in this case is how to make a right career choice. I hope you have got a good answer, and I look forward to answering more questions for you.